Alright, so I'm gonna do the Loot Crate unboxing, and I don't know if you guys have seen any yet, but it's there's 2 Hearthstone items in this, so I'm pretty excited about it. Have you guys seen the Hearthstone items that come in this at all? Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it. Alright. Oh, cute. First thing, Pikachu hat. Hey Sky High, welcome back. Good to see you. You came just in time for the Loot Crate unboxing. I just started. So there's actually 2 Hearthstone items in here, so I'm pretty excited about it. So the first item is Pikachu hat. How cute is that? Oh, it's super cute. Oh, this is not good to wear on stream. Alright. I'll wear it while I'm doing the unboxing, but I'll take it off so it doesn't hurt your eyes after that. Even has little Pokeball details. Super cute. Alright, so here's one of the Hearthstone items. This is just too hard to look at. I'll take it off. It's really cute though. Alright. I would actually wear this winter. It's like a nice, soft, warm hat. So that's really cool. And I love Pikachu. Alright, so this is one of the Hearthstone items. It is a stress ball. Hey Bashful, welcome to the stream. So this is I'll open it. Ooh, this song is much louder. That's better. Okay. So it's actually a little Hearthstone. And it's squeezy. So I can take out all my frustrations on the game with this. Punch it. Yeah, so that's one of the Hearthstone items. That's pretty cool. You just got back from Sephora. Did you buy a lot of makeup? I got my chair just from Amazon. Put this back in the bag for right now. That's a pretty cool stress ball. Maybe I'll keep it at work. I don't know. Oh, this is pretty cool. So this, I don't know if any of you guys watch Supernatural. I have seen maybe like 2 episodes, but I know. So this is the Supernatural car. It's a classic black 1967 Chevy Impala. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, can you see it? This is a Loot Crate exclusive. That's pretty cool. I dig it. Alright, then we have... Ooh! Homer Simpson. Looks like some kind of... I don't know if it's a blind box. Let's open it and find out. But it's a Kid Robot collectible. Hey Raijus, how you doing? Yeah, Bashful, I used to spend a lot of money in Sephora, but I haven't gone in one in like a year, so That's how I solved that problem. Yeah, Raijus, I'm good to see you back. Yeah, I do tend to stream a little bit later. Oh, this is cool. So it is golden Homer Simpson meditating on a donut. The camera doesn't really like it too much, but you can make out what he is. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's super cool. So that's cool. Put him over here. And then there's a Loot Crate button, which the theme was summon, so there's like, let's see if it focuses. Alright, you can't really see it, but it's got little Pikachus on it, so it's kind of a cute button. The theme was summoned. It's a cute button, I like it. I collect buttons and pins and stuff, so. What is this? So the magazine came with like a card game. I'll show you. With these cards in it, these are pretty cute. I'll have to read the instructions of the card game. It looks like it's similar to how was that game Moonrise? There's like a game that was kind of like Pokemon. It's like Moonrise. They actually discontinued. They shut down the servers, or they're going to shut down the servers. But it was at like all the PAXs. Like they really made a big deal about it. So I was really surprised that it didn't do well enough for them to keep up. But yeah, so it looks like each. I won't go into the details on this, but it kind of looks like a fun game to come with the Loot Crate magazine. And the last item is another. Ooh! Comes with a free pack of Hearthstone cards. So this is the coin. The actual coin. I think this is definitely my favorite part of this Loot Crate right now. The actual coin. Yay! Yeah, I'm actually going to be discontinuing my Loot Crates. November will be the last month. I think that I'm going to, instead of Loot Crate, I think I'm going to do Nerd Block going forward. Because I've done Loot Crate for like a year now, and I kind of just want to see what's in the other nerdy subscription packages, so. I know, this is cool, right? I'm pretty excited. And then scratch off gently with coin. I should do this later. I'll open this. There's a free pack that comes with this card. See, this card is like the Hearthstone box. Pack on the back. You scratch off the code, but I'll do this later, and then I will open this pack tomorrow on stream. All right, cool. Lots of cool stuff in this one. Oh, I'm excited for the hat. I think that's really cute. I'm gonna be Pikachu all winter. Alright, so that was Loot Crate.